Hello, embedded system lovers. I will be sharing some brilliant and interesting IoT projects you can work on as a final year student in college or as someone trying to strengthen his or her IoT and embedded system skills. But before we get into each of these projects, I would like you to note that it's not a must to implement any of these projects the same way they are showcased here, but to give you an idea of what a cool and a useful IoT project looks like. So my ultimate goal of making this video is to see that you pick any of these IoT projects that is showcased in this video and modify it to be better so it can solve a larger problem in the society. All right. So the first project is a smart waste management system. And I would like you to know that this was my undergraduate final year project, and this was me some hours before my final defense. So this project works in such a way that the waste bin opens automatically when someone wants to dispose waste inside, as you can see. And it's possible because there is an ultrasonic sensor mounted outside the trash can that is sensing my presence when I come close to the trash can. All right. So there is also an ultrasonic sensor inside the trash can, and it's precisely at the cover of the trash can. And the goal of that particular ultrasonic sensor is to measure how full the bin is. All right. I also added a GPS module to this project so that it can send the bin location to a mobile application. And this also allows the waste management agency to know when the bin is full and where it is located before a dispatching truck can be sent to come and take up the waste. All right. So let me know what you think about this project and tell me the modifications you would like to make to it. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. The second project is a smart water pump controller. And this is not just a project, but a product my friend and I developed through a startup company, Obitech Automation, that we co-founded 6 years ago. So this system monitors the water level in an overhead tank and controls the pumping machine automatically. So the system helps to prevent water shortage and water overflow from your overhead water tank. So we also built a mobile app, as you can see on screen, for the system so that users can view the water level, check the pump status, whether it's on or off, and also get to control the pump remotely, that's if needed. All right. I believe this project is simple to understand, and I would like to know the modifications that you can make to it. And please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The third project is a smart energy meter system built by my friend Isaac J. Newton, who is going to be handling the STM32 bare metal coding series that we're going to be uploading on this channel in the coming weeks. So unlike your normal electricity meter that show only one total energy reading, this smart meter shows how power is being consumed in real time. And from the mobile application on screen, you can see the voltage, current, power, and the energy consumption over time. So it also helps you understand which connected devices consume more electricity and when they are also active. All right. So this type of project is very strong for final year work because it combines hardware design, data processing, and even mobile application or mobile app integration or interface, right? So this is a very good project, and let me know the kind of modification you want to do to this project and if this project is worth doing for a final year project in college. The fourth project is a home automation system, and you can see me using a mobile application built with JavaScript React Native to control home appliances like the two light bulbs here and the fan. The system also monitors room temperature in real time. All right, that means there's a temperature sensor in the system, and you can also get a temperature reading on the mobile app. So you can also modify this project by adding a voice controlled features. All right, so you can give it the vibes of Alexa, right? So although this idea is common, but a properly implemented home automation system clearly shows your understanding of IoT control, communication protocols, and system integration. So just let me know your thoughts about this particular project and if you're going to implement this home automation system as a good IoT project for your final year defense. All right, let me know in the comment section below. The fifth project is an anti-slip device for drivers. The device is one like an AirPod, and it uses a tilt sensor that is inside the AirPod to detect when a driver begins to feel drowsy. So once drowsiness is detected, a buzzer that is also inside the airport activates to alert the driver, and then it helps to prevent the road accident from happening. All right, so the device also comes with a mobile application that we built with JavaScript React Native, and the goal of the app is to display the temperature and the ambient light intensity, which of course is gotten from an LDRO sensing that we put in the airport, and also to also get the real-time device activity. So with the mobile application, the user can set their own threshold values to activate the system at any interval of the day. So for those considering solutions around wearables, this is the perfect project that combines wearable technologies, safety systems, and IoT communication. So if you are looking towards building any solution around wearables, I think you should go for this project. And please let me know if you have any question regarding this system, and let me know the modification that you can make to this system. Please drop it in the comment section below. All right. And here is one bonus project that I made 7 years ago. Although it's not fully an IoT project, but it's a smart ultra cane to help blind people navigate through obstacles by themselves. All right. It comes with a GPS module that can help the relative or the caregivers to track the location of the blind person should in case of any emergencies. All right. So the project comes with a GSM module so that a caregiver can send an SMS to the blind stick and then receive an SMS which is the exact location of the blind person at that particular time, so that they can locate the blind person just in case of any emergency. So you can improve this project by adding more features and more better features. All right. So if you have any question about this project, you can also leave it in the comment section below. I made this project like 7 years ago, so make your modifications and let me know what you think about this project in the comment section below. So if you were defending your project tomorrow, which one would you choose out of all these projects we've talked about? And which one do you think most supervisors will respect the most? Please leave your comments about it. Drop your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Please like this video and subscribe. It's free, and this is the way you can support the growth of this channel and make the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to other IoT and embedded system lovers. So like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. And please, if you want me to cover any other topic that is not on this channel, leave it in the comment section below and I will attend to it. Maybe that might be the next video I might make. See you in the next video.